Today I'm going to talk about a question which I was asked in an MNC for a job role of a business intelligence analyst. So this question can be asked for different kind of roles, whether you are applying for a business intelligence analyst, data analyst, or any other analyst related role that needs you to have the knowledge of Excel along with the Power BI. Now we all talk about Power BI and all those things, but it's important that you also have the decent knowledge of Excel as well. So the question that I was asked was, if you are given the data set which has got the employee names and the joining dates of those employees, you are supposed to find out the number of days employee has been working in the organization since the joining date. While doing that, you need to exclude the weekends, that is Saturday, Sunday, you need to exclude. Now, to answer this question, what we can do is we'll create a new column which is called as, let's say, work days. Okay. Now, we'll use a formula. The formula is net work days. Now, why exactly I'm using this net work days formula? It is because this formula will exclude the Saturday, Sunday, that is weekend, as requested in the interview question. Okay, so that's why I'm using the net work days formula. Now, what is the start date? You tell me. You tell me what is the start date? Joining date, obviously. So I'll click on this particular cell, then I'll put comma. End date, so there is no end date, right? So they want to find out the from the starting date until today. So what I will do, I will use today function. So I'll use this today function. After I use the today function, I will close this and let's see what happens. So as we can see, since 15th July 2022, 429 days. If you consider today, that is 6th of March, it is 429 days. So we have got the data for one user. So likewise, we can get the data for all the users. All you need to do is you need to use this flash fill functionality. So now we have got the outcome, but let's just say the interviewer that you are facing in an interview, but interviewer twists a question a bit. The interviewer is telling you that, so along with the weekends, I want to exclude the holidays, remove these both the things, and then give me the number of days employee has been working in the organization. How can we do that? So I'll create, first of all, I will copy the column which will have the holiday list. So as you can see, this column has got the holiday range. It can be a bigger range, it doesn't matter. Okay, what I will do, I will create a new column that will say, so let's say I've created a new column that is called as work days without holidays. Okay, now what I will do, I will use the exact same formula. Which formula did I use? I used the formula which is called as net work days. So I'll again use the same formula, net work days. Next thing I do is I need a joining date. So joining date remains same. I'll click on this cell and then I'll put a comma. Again, I will need today because the same thing, this thing remains same. The next thing I want to do is I need to provide the holidays, because now where do we get the holidays? So I think we have got the holiday range. So what I will do, see very clear, what I will do, I'll just select this date range. Okay, so this is the range for holidays. I have selected that. Then I'll put a closing bracket and let's just see if this helps me. And I got a data that tells me 422. I'll just drop this until this point and I have got the entire response for all the rows. Okay, so 429, 422, 403, 3. So we can see the difference, right? When we have the data with or without holidays. So with only with excluding the work days, only so we have got the data. Only after removing the holidays, we are getting this much of working days. But when we remove the additional holidays, then the number is coming down even more. Okay, so I think this is pretty much easy. Okay, all you need is practice. So I'll be sharing the data set. You please practice it. And as I always say, don't just watch, practice. And the last and important thing is that data science jobs or data analysis jobs are not just about Power BI. You need to have a good command over Excel as well. Okay, so please practice it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.